Happy Tuesday and welcome to
DTV. My name is Dylan.
My name's Jenna.
My name's Macy.
My name's Hannah.
My name's Cameron. My name's Lexi.
My name's Andrew.
There will be a science club meeting on the 8th till 3:30. There will be a volleyball game on the 10th at 5 o'clock.
Also, there will be a football game on the 10th at 4:30. Don't forget to wish Miss Dugans and Coach Kingsland a happy birthday.
This week, wish a happy birthday to
Jessica Shukart, Haley Johnson, Jessica Wilson, Travis Dennison, Caleb Hawkins, Judge Hubbard, Richard Meador, Jackson Shrum, Austin Heskett, Kendall Meyer. Your 7th grade football team is
Jackson Allen, Tyson Aubuchon, Brian Benjamin, Jacob Brand, Tyson Benoist, Ethan Chandler, Trenton Crumpton, Sammy Davis, Denver Dagonia, Eric DeMercurio, Tyler Durbin, Wade Eckhoff, and Levi Fisher.
Dylan Forshee, Jacob Harris, Grant Hurst, Drew Hewitt, Judge Hubbard, James Innes, Zach Keck, Carter Kahn, Nick Krodinger, TJ Martin, Elijah McCabe, and Colby Macy, and Josh Peck.
Bradley Pittman, Noah Pruitt, Jacob Pruno, Dominic Pajani.
William Rector, Ethan Rising, Brandon Schroeder, Luke Scott, Joshua Spruill, Austin Tebow, Erica Thurman, Brendan Waddington, and John Wyden.
Now for the 8th grade team. Dawson Akers, Mitchell Appleton, Arnold Isaiah, Trenton Aubuchon, Austin Becker, Tyler Brindley, Cameron Brooks, Jerry Chandler, Matthew Donahue, Briar Fisher, Scotty Grebe, Garrett Harden, Jace Haverstick, and Tristan Hendricks. Austin Heskett, Jake Kerbler, Austin Kingsland, Matthew Kozlowski, Hunter LaBelle, Dylan Linkey, Matt Martin, Wyatt McCallop, Noah Miller, Devin Mousset, Jeremy Murray, Joe Ningle, Caden Nichols.
Seth Nicholson, Eddie Peterson, Byron Pitts, Landon Porter, Dustin Rep, Josh Schultzer, Josh Smith, Jonathan Stafford, Jacob Stranger, Phoenix Tebow, Colby Ernest, Gabby Williams, Connor Zimmerman, and Danielle Zoner.
Jacob Barch, a junior at DeSoto High School, gave Mr. Gimmer's class an insight on the French and Indian Wars.
Let's take a look.
Can I have a volunteer come up about the same size as me? Maybe a little bit shorter than me? Why don't you come up? You've answered a lot of questions. This is called a hunting shirt. Hunting shirts were your base layer. This is what you put on first. You go ahead and put that on. So they were not actually meant to fit you. Basically, your mom would sew it up for you. Actually, I sewed that one. You would get it sewn up and you would throw it on. They were not meant to fit right. Clothes did not fit you perfectly unless you were rich and you could afford for someone to make clothes specifically for you. On top of that coat, or on top of that shirt, you would have something called a waistcoat or a waistcoat. What I have right here is called a waistcoat because it does not have buttons. Waistcoats did have buttons. I unfortunately don't have another one, so you can't wear that. What I do have is another heavy wool coat. You're going to tell how warm these things get in a couple minutes. These big wool coats, go ahead and do the top 3 buttons. Will keep you warm in the winter, and the regimental coats would show you what unit you're in, and you would wear those no matter what when you were in combat.